Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. It's that time of year again, so I'm going to show you an easy way to play spooky, scary skeletons on acoustic guitar. I'm going to show you the chords, and I'll also show you the lead melody to this song. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and we're going to play it in the key of E minor to make it easy. Let me show you the chords that we'll need to play. We're going to need E minor, B11, and we're going to strum that from the A string, C major, G major, D suspended 2 / F sharp, A minor, F, and we'll need to make an F sharp diminished by sliding that finger forward by 1 fret. This is F, and this is F sharp diminished. That might be a stretch for you, but I believe you can do it with a little practice. And those are the chords that we're going to need. Here's how we'll strum the chords to the first part of the song. We'll start with C, B11, E minor, and we'll strum it this way. Just like that. Next, we'll go to the bridge. For the bridge, we'll go to a G, D suspended 2 / F sharp, E minor, A minor, F, F sharp diminished, B11, and then we'll go back to the main part. We're going to play that this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's talk about the melody. For the chorus, the melody will sound like this. Let's put tabs on the screen. We're going to the B string, first fret, to open. And then we'll go to the D string, second fret, open G. So that was. Then we'll start over. Then we'll go to the D string, fret 2, and play, and then the open strings. Just like that. So it's. We'll start over again. Then we'll go to the 4th fret on the D string, open G, 2nd fret G, fret 4 on the D string, open G, 2nd fret on the D string. So that's. Here's the entire thing. We'll repeat that. Here's what that will sound like with the backup chords. Next, we'll play the bridge melody, and it'll sound something like this. We did that by going to the B string, open 1, open 1, 3, open high E, back to the B string 3, 1, open 1, open 2, open G. G string, fret 2, open B, G string, fret 2, open B, 1, 3, 1, open G string, fret 2, open B, 1, open high E, and land on fret 4, the B string, like that. So it's. Then we'll start back into the main melody. That's going to sound something like this. Well, all right, my friends, that's my easy way of playing spooky, scary skeletons on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and happy Halloween.